Once Hazrat Mughira bin Shu'bah radiyallahu anhu on the pulpit declared that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, once Hazrat Moses alayhi salam asked Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, who will be of the lowest rank amongst the inmates of paradise? Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, he is the man who will enter paradise after the entry of all the paradise-bound people into paradise. It will be said to him, enter paradise. He will submit, O my Lord, where should I go in paradise? The people have already occupied all the places and positions. It will be said to him, are you pleased with it that you may be granted a territory in paradise equal to the territory of any king of the world? He will submit, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, I am pleased with it. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon will say, go and take it as well as 5 times like this territory. He will submit, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, I am pleased. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, take it and 10 times more like this territory, as well as what pleases your heart and gratify your eyes. That man will submit, O my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, I am pleased. Hazrat Moses alayhi salam then asked, who will be the people of highest rank in paradise? Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, these are the people whom I chose and set a seal on their grandeur with my own hand. And they got such bounties as neither any eye had ever seen, nor any hair had ever heard, nor its idea had ever floated through any mind. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, this verse of the Holy Quran testifies these bounties, and no one knows what bounties have been kept hidden for cooling their eyes. Surah Sajda, verse 17. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 464.